What are the easiest personal loans to get approved for? 10 types of loans have minimal requirement and after fast funding, but they are often more expensive as a result. If you need to borrow money, you may be able to get a fast and easy loan or a cheap loan, but probably not both. The easiest personal loans to get approved for may help you get the cash you need quickly, but there are pitfalls to avoid as well as fine print that you should read carefully before you move forward. The best emergency loans for bad credit, for example, offer you fast funding for a car repair, medical bills, or something else. Find out about 5 ways to get a personal loan quickly. PayPal one payday loans. Payday loans are a type of funding that require you to pay back what you owe on your next payday. Hence the name. According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, there are no set rules that govern which loans are considered payday loans. Although all loans in this category tend to be short-term in nature and exorbitantly expensive. Most payday loans are for $500 or less, and these loans require a post-dated check that has you paying off the loan balance the next time you expect to get paid by any employer or through other means like social security. The biggest problem with payday loans is the fact that because they are often short-term with no credit check required, borrowers can wind up paying interest rates upward of 400% in the end. Second, no credit check loans. No credit check loans also can be referred to as bad credit loans, mostly because they are taken out by people who could not get approved based on their credit score, because most lenders require a minimum credit score of at least 580 for traditional personal loans. This means no credit check loans are geared toward borrowers with scores below that range. Despite the fact that these loans are easy to get approved for, bad credit loans can be punishing due to their incredibly high cost. In fact, interest rates on some no credit check loans can be as high as 179%, with some lenders. Unsecured personal loans. Personal loans are easy to get when they offer flexible credit score and income requirement. If you have a fair credit score, which includes FICO score from 580 to 669, you may be able to qualify for an unsecured personal loan from a traditional lender. However, individuals with scores at the lower end of that range will find fewer available options overall, and they may not like what they see when they check. For example, One Man Financial is known for offering unsecured personal loan for individuals with imperfect credit. However, interest rates for their installment loans can be as high as 35.99%, and they charge origination fees of up to 10% of the loan amount. Because unsecured personal loans for their credit come with less than ideal terms, they are often referred to as emergency loans. This means you should only get one in an emergency if you truly need the money, and if better options are not available when you need them. For retirement plan loans, if you desperately need money and you have some retirement savings built up in a traditional plan, you may be able to borrow from your own assets with a 401k loan. For example, you can borrow from your account balance